Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. Next one is the batch sign and seal. So I'm going to come down here to my batch sign and seal drawings. The purpose of batch sign and seal is I need to place my seal or my stamp on the drawings and sign over top of it, and I need to do it to a bulk number of drawings. So in this case, again, I just have several drawings in the same file. I'm going to come back to my batch sign and seal, and I'm going to select all the pages in here. So on here, I'm going to go in and add my digital signature. Checking that box, I'm going to go and actually sign in. See if that works. And you can see it brought in my signature here. I'm actually going to, I'm going to leave that on there. I can put a reason in here. I agree to the terms. I am approving this document, things like that. And then I can also add the date and my seal. So down here on my seal, I can have it import my my signature, or my signature with my seal. I'd have to double check where I'm just going to use that one. Are you sure you want to overwrite the existing stamp? I'm going to say yes. And then I can go ahead and move this where I want it. So I'm going to just drag that, drag my date as well, and drag my signature. I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit. And I'm just going to move all my parts over here. Sorry, I'm jumping around. Put this into that section along with the date. And where did my signature go? Once I get this all placed in the right place, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it's going to embed that on all of the sheets in this document, or all the sheets that my signature's over here. All the sheets that I pointed to, and it's going to flatten the document so it's ready to send out certified and signed. So that is our batch sign and seal. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.